today's episode, we are doing mason jar soups. So you have to gather a box of these, about, 8, 12 of these, and I like to make 2 or 3 of these at once. What you do is you take this, we're gonna assemble the soup and we're going to put it into the fridge and then take it to work, give it to the kids for school, pour the hot water in at the end. You have a cup of soup that's fresh and not from the box. Okay, let's get started. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use some powdered bouillon, which is actually, I buy the organic stuff, so it has no MSG, really good for you. Then we need just a bit of coconut sugar, just to sweeten it up a little, because we're having the salty, the sweet, the spicy. So the spicy is the hot chili sauce. You can put as much as you want. I just put about 1/8 of a teaspoon. Then we're gonna put just about 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic, some freshly grated ginger, that gives it the Asian flavor, a little bit of green onion, just chopped up there. Look how pretty this is. And I like to put broccoli. You could also put any Asian green like chopped bok choy, you could put some spinach, but I just shave some broccoli. There you go. And some sugar snap peas, because it gives it that crunch as well as the sweetness. And of course you need your protein because this is lunch. So we're going to put in some edamame, which are some immature soybeans. I love calling them immature soybeans. It sounds kind of funny, but they're whole soy, very, very healthy. They act as a phytoestrogen in your body. Very healthy. Then I have, these are actually some rice noodles with sweet potato and ginger and pumpkin. Very interesting noodle. I just boiled these up and I'm gonna put about, let's say 1/4 to 1/2 cup of that. And I think I got everything here. Last but not least, we're gonna do a color. So check that out. I julienne some carrots. And to julienne the carrot, I'm just gonna show you. You just wanna take a carrot, cut it in half, and then just keep going on a flat surface like this. So check this out, how easy it is if you have a sharp knife. This is a Japanese knife that's ceramic, so it's really, really, really sharp. So I'm just gonna put some julienne carrots in there and put as many as you want. And that's it. So we've got all the flavoring on the bottom. We have the protein. You can also add some cooked chicken, some shrimp, that type of thing. And then we have your noodle here. And these are actually gluten-free noodles. So this is a good lunch for someone with celiac disease or someone following a gluten-free diet. And then we've got the crunch from the carrots. So that's done. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pour some hot water, just about a cup will do. Then I'm gonna close the lid, like so, and we're just gonna do a shaky, shaky shake. Shake it up, baby. Make sure you get all of the bouillon really dissolved. Let this sit for about 8 minutes, and then it's gonna develop the flavor. So the interesting thing about this recipe is we're not sauteing any garlic, onion. We're actually relying on the flavor, just putting it all together. So it's actually very balanced. I worked on it for a while. You should ask my recipe testers that. We had a lot of bombs with this. It's really hard to make a soup when you're not developing the flavor. So this one actually really works. So let's say that 8 minutes has gone by. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna put soy sauce, that just gives it taste, a little cilantro, and a little fresh mint in there. And last but not least, it's all about layering the flavors. I'm just gonna take some fresh lime and I'm going to squeeze some lime in. There we go. And you have the option of eating it straight from the jar. I like to just pour it into a soup bowl. And look at how pretty that is. And it's a full serving. It looks like we're at an Asian restaurant. And just serve it with some chopsticks. And there you go. So I'm gonna taste this. Let's see if the flavors develop quickly. And if you don't have a kettle, you can actually microwave it. Just put some water in the microwave. The chopsticks, it's kind of hard to pick it up. I think I'm gonna get a spoon actually. Let's get a soup spoon out. And here we go. I didn't even have to wait 8 minutes. The flavors are perfect. I think I'm actually addicted to this. I have 3 in my fridge right now. And my kids actually beg for it as a snack. It's actually a really good snack too. Delicious. This would be good in the winter or the summer. I put tons of spice in it. I'm filling the spice. I'm filling the lime juice, and I'm crunching the broccoli as well as the carrots. Really, really good. Please comment below if you try this and let me know how good it is.